Zeiss APO floating telephoto camera and Zeiss camera with the industry's largest sensor are only available on X100 Pro. X100 Pro is powered by Vivo V3 chip, while X100 is equipped with Vivo V2 chip. X100 Pro is designed with dual-cell series connection. Typical capacity, 2700 mAh, 7.78 V, equivalent to 5400 mAh, 3.89 V. Typical energy, 21.01 Wh. Rated capacity, 2630 mAh, 7.78 V, equivalent to 5260 mAh, 3.89 V. Rated energy, 20.47 Wh. X100 is designed with dual-cell series connection. Typical capacity, 2500 mAh, 7.82 V, equivalent to 5000 mAh, 3.91 V. Typical energy, 19.55 Wh. Rated capacity, 2440 mAh, 7.82 V, equivalent to 4880 mAh, 3.91 V. Rated energy, 19.09 Wh. When paired with Vivo 50W vertical wireless flash charger 2, it can support up to 50W wireless charging. Vivo 50W vertical wireless flash charger 2 needs to be purchased separately. Please contact sales for details. All data is based on Vivo's technical design parameters, laboratory test results, and supplier test data. Actual performance may vary depending on software version, specific test environment, and phone model. For this type of mobile reviews, please subscribe Nomori official YouTube channel.